If you're trying to build an email list, this is the exact funnel I'd recommend starting with. No complicated automations, no extra tools, no unnecessary steps. Just a simple funnel that collects leads, delivers your free resource, and starts building your email list. Before we build anything, let's quickly look at what we're creating. A visitor lands on your page, they enter their email, they receive your free resource, and they join your email list. That's it. Most beginners think funnels need multiple pages and complicated automations. You don't. This simple funnel is enough to start building an audience. Now let's build it. And remember, we're not trying to build the perfect funnel. We're building a working funnel. So from the top, we'll go to sites and then down to sales funnels. Select sales funnels. And then from the right hand side, we want to click on the blue create button here to create our new funnel. For this example, we're choosing build an audience. Give the funnel a simple name and create it. At this stage, we're not trying to build the perfect funnel. We're building a working funnel. I'm just going to leave the default settings here, what I've got for the funnel domain. And what we want is to select build an audience. So this gives you the option to collect email addresses and build your email list. So click on that. You see the light turns blue. Now we've selected it. We don't need any of the other options to bother about them. So if we just click on the blue save option here, now our funnel is created, as you can see here. So if we select it, we now can see the opt-in page has been created, a thank you page and an inactive page. Now from the right hand side here, you can see we've got our list of templates we need to actually select. So we are going to select this one. So I'll select that template and you see now we've got an option here on the right hand side to edit page. I'll click on the edit page option. This page only has one job: collect an email address. That's it. A lot of beginners try to add too much text, too many sections, too many distractions. Simple pages usually perform better because visitors know exactly what to do. What we need to do is delete all these sections we don't need, a header, etc., to keep it. So we've just got headline, sub-headline, maybe some bullets, and this bit here. So I'm just going to cut this bit. Okay, here you can see I've now edited this template. Just left the basics on it here, which is the headline, sub-headline, email form, and this bit here, as well as the bottom bit here, which you can see here. So this is the email form here. So for most beginners, collecting an email address is enough. You don't need lots of fields. The simpler the form, the easier it is for visitors to complete. So I'm just going to start with the headline. So here I've got get my free funnel launch checklist, and then the sub-headline or the supporting text. So I'm just going to paste that into there. So for this, I've got a simple step-by-step checklist to build your first funnel without getting overwhelmed by unnecessary complexity. And the email field, I'm just going to select on there, and you can see on the left hand side here, it's set to input type email, and you've got a placeholder, it says email, so I'm going to put in, change that to enter your best email here. Now what I want to do here is also add some bullets. Click on here, and from the left here select bullets, and I'll just put that underneath there. Now what I want, just make that move spacing on that. And I want another bullet there, so I'm going to have 4 bullets there. So all you do for that is just press enter at the back end of the line there. So that's 1. Alright, now you see I've got 4 bullets there. Oh, that's be launch. Actually, let me stay off that. So now I've got my headline, my sub-headline, some bullets here. The email field. Now I've got 2 buttons there, so I think I'll keep that one because I like the look of that. Keep that and delete that one. So we'll just click the trash icon there when you hover over it and click OK. There, that looks about right. for the call to action, which is for the button there. So click on that. When the action button is clicked, because this was for a video, what I need to do is make sure this goes to the submit form and they will automatically go to the next step. Normally, if it's already, so you just need to make sure that it's set on to submit form on the action and then it's set to the next step. What I need to do now is scroll down and change the text I've got on there. So on the left here, button text, I'm going to put send me the checklist here. So I'll come off it and I'll remove it. There we go. And I want to, if you want to use the image as well, so yeah, I'm going to select on the video and I'm going to click on the delete option, or you can just select it from there, delete option, when you highlight it, hover in the middle, click OK, and that will delete it. Now from the left, under media, just drag the image icon into to the right there, click on it. We want to use the image file, so it's at the top one there. I already uploaded my image what I want, so I'm going to select that. That's what I selected. So there's my image. Okay, and once you got it how you want it, before we actually save it, what we need to do first is actually check it in preview in the mobile view. So click on the mobile option there and we'll just check, see if it looks okay in the mobile view, which you can see it does. Always check the mobile version before publishing, because most visitors will see your page on a phone. So once we're happy with that, click the mobile view again to come out of it, and then click on the save option, and then we can preview the page. Once we got it how we want it looking, then we can start creating our thank you page. So if we go back to the editor, save, and then click on exit, and see what we need to do now is now edit our thank you page. I'll click on that. As we did previously with our opt-in page, we need to also do the same with our thank you page. So from the right here, I'm just going to select a simple thank you page, this one here, and then what you need to do is click on right here, edit page. So what I want to do is remove these elements I don't want. So the top here, and maybe some bits in the bottom, I want to keep that, the headline, sub headline, remove these bits, maybe keep the button. So I'm just going to pause the video now to do this. Anyway, now I've just finished editing the thank you page, so leave it like that. It's nice, plain and simple. The first thing I want to do is reassure the visitor that everything worked okay. So a simple headline, like check your inbox, which I'm just going to put here now. Immediate tells them what they should do next. Next, I will let them know their funnel launch checklist is on its way. This helps set expectations and reduce confusion. I'll also include a quick reminder to check their spam, junk or promotions folder. This can help reduce support questions and improve chances they'll actually receive the resource. From the top, I'm just going to duplicate this text here and just drag it and get it on the cog and drag it down underneath this here. I'll just double click in there, paste text in there, so I want this a bit smaller. And finally, if you have another helpful resource, video or tutorial, this can be a great place to recommend it. The key is to make sure it feels like that it's a natural next step rather than a distraction. See on the button, if we just click on the button, we can put on the button text there, paste that, watch the next tutorial, and then we can just put the link into the video there. So once one clicks on it, then it takes into the video, and then you just save it. Next, we need to create the email that sends the free resource. Okay, so for now, if we exit out this page, click on exit, and then go to automations at the top, and then down to rules. So what we need to do now is click on a new rule, click on blue create rule option there, and for our trigger, go to the trigger, get the blue plus, and I want funnel step form subscribe, and then select our funnel. So for this particular one, I want the funnel launch checklist, select that, and the funnel step is the opt-in page, which you can see it's selected now. From the right hand side now we go to action, click on the plus, and for that action what I want to do there is send an email, and then what I want to do is send a new email. So click on the plus next to email and it will say create email message. Click on that. From the subject, and put your funnel launch checklist is ready, and for the body of the email, paste that in there, and the download your checklist option there will be where your link is, or it can be a button. The goal of this first email is simple: deliver what we promised. Too many beginners try to sell something immediately, but before asking for a sale, it's usually better to build trust. Here you can see I'm including a clear download link or button, depending on what you want to put here, so your subscribers can access the checklist straight away. Notice how short this email is. We don't need a long story, we don't need lots of links. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make this into a link, so I'm just going to put here access your free report, and just turn that into a link. So if you just highlight it and then click on the link option here, and then I'll just copy and paste my link in there, tick that, and then see now I made that link. Now if I scroll down, we just need to save that. Click on the save all option there, top right. Next, what we need to do, we need to actually test the funnel. So let me just go to my opt-in page. So before publishing any funnel, test everything works. So we need to use our own email and submit the form. So I'm just going to put my own email address in. And then click on send me the checklist. So what we're doing here is we're checking that we go to the thank you page, which you can see here. I've gone to the thank you page, and then next what we need to do is check that we receive the email. So let's go back into my inbox. I am in my inbox, and here we can see that I've received the email, and the link is there in the email. So we also want to make sure we check the link by clicking on it to make sure that we can download our free lead magnet. And that's how we check every step in the funnel. And that's it. You now have a complete beginner lead magnet funnel. Someone can join your email list, receive your free resource, and enter your email system automatically. The biggest mistake most beginners make believing they need something more complicated than this. You don't build this first. Get your first leads, then improve it later. And that's it. You now have a complete beginner lead magnet funnel. If you're building your first funnel, subscribe, because every video on this channel is designed to help beginners build online business systems without the overwhelm. And in the next video I'll show you exactly what funnel I think every beginner should build first and why.